Good evening, everyone, and my name is Evan Estrada, and I am 18, and my course is BS Screen. So, from the lesson 3, I choose the two concepts. The number one is the collective self, refers to the set of beliefs, perception, and sense of identity you form based on your membership in a specific group. It focuses on how you see yourself as part of a shared community rather than as a separate individual. For the simple explanation, your personal self is what make you special, your name, your favorite foods, your habits, and more simple, your collective self is what you share with others, is the part of who you are that comes from the groups you belong, like your culture, your hometown, your country, or religion. So, for example, I am Ilocano. You're not just saying where you from, you're saying you share the Ilocano language, their values like hard work and frugality, and their history. And more example, I am a Filipino. You're the saying you belong to this world. Nation you share your nation identity, your Bayanihan spirit, and your love for your country. And the second, the individual self. So simple explanation. The individual self is how you see your own unique traits, feelings, and personality, qualities, things that make you different from others. It's all the thought and memories you have about your own personality, temporary states, and abilities. Unlike group identity, this is all you as a separate person. So for example, I am kind, I am tired, and I am good at drawing, and I am honest, and I am angry. From the lesson 4, I choose I choose the two concept. So from the number one is identity struggles. So what is identity? So it means confusion, dumb, or hard difficulty you feel when trying to understand or accept who you are. From the simple explanation, identity struggles happen when you feel unsure about your sense of self. It occurs when your own views of your clashes with that others expect, or when you have to choose different part of your identity. For example, wondering, I am being myself, or I'm just acting how my friends want me to be. So, choosing. So, do I follow my own dream or take the job my family want for me? And from the second, national identity. So, national identity is is your sense of belonging to your country, sharing its history, values, culture, pride with others, citizen, or simple explanation. It's how you see yourself as part of your nation, what make you feel connected to the people, traditions, and identity of your country. It's which country do I belong to? So simple example. I am Filipino. I feel proud singing the Lupang Hinirang. I love eating local foods like adobo and dinuguan. And that's all. And thank you.